Hey beautiful orange blossoms, I hope you are having a great day. So I'm going to be doing a video on my vacuum. I got several requests to do this, so I am going to be doing it. Let's see how this turns out. So oh, it's cold, so let me I'm trying to pull up my Amazon order. So I got this on Amazon Prime. I will insert footage of the vacuum itself. Oh, it's cold. Let me squeeze y'all back. So I've had this vacuum since January. I absolutely love it. It is perfect for my life. So I'm just going to pull up the information so I can tell you guys. So it's made by Hoover. It is a very small vacuum. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. So I will. Okay, so this is called the Hoover Spirit Quick Vac Bagless Vacuum. I've had this since January 15th. It was $52 when I bought it. So this is what this looks like. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful vacuum. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to read you the description to kind of give you guys an idea, and then I will go into why I love this vacuum. So this is the Hoover Spirit Quick Vac Bagless Upright vacuum. It is compact and lightweight. It's an upright design, which is made for city dwellers in mind. The lightweight yet powerful vacuum features cyclonic technology that separates fine particles from dirt. Separates fine particles of dirt before they reach the rinsable filter, allowing homeowners to clean the filter less often. Customers can clean more areas of their homes faster without replugging, thanks to the 23-foot power cord, up to 7 feet of above the floor cleaning reach, and removable cleaning wand, and 3 floor settings for every floor type. So it has a 5-foot cleaning hose, which you can remove from the handle to the base, which I will show you in a clip like this, right there. Okay, so that's pretty much, there are the power button is on the side, and you use your foot to be able to like get under things. So yeah, so this vacuum, which I'm going to go ahead and get the vacuum out so I can show you guys. My final thoughts of this vacuum. It's very, very, very nice. It's very lightweight. I bought this originally for my job that I was doing. I was working for an app that I cleaned houses. I cleaned office buildings. This, excuse me, was the perfect vacuum. It can do big rooms, small rooms. It's very lightweight. It travels easy. It fit in my little car. All I had to do was take the wand out and just put it on its side. It fit in any vehicle. It's very easy to store. It's an amazing vacuum. I have not had any problems with it. It keeps my room clean, and I have hardwood floors. I use it to clean my bathroom, which has very slick tile. I've used it for rugs, carpets, tile, hardwood flooring, laminate. I used it to clean every room in the house. So I highly recommend this. Again, I will try to leave the link down below where I bought it. Just go on Amazon Prime, and it should pop up. So I will try to leave the link down below. I hope you guys like this review. It's an amazing thing, no matter how big or small your apartment is or your house. This will fit in any corner, any cabinet, garage, anywhere. So this is an amazing investment. It is one of the cheapest vacuums you can find that actually has good suction. It's clean. It's easy to clean. It literally takes no bags. It's an amazing vacuum. I highly recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this product review, I guess you could say. It's a very weird review, but I had several requests to do it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm very proud of my vacuum. And I live in a room. Like, this is my whole living room. Everything, and it fits, and it's amazing, and I love it. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next